Hi friends, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today my project is about how to create this very beautiful 3D quilt flower wall hanging or quilt showpiece. Isn't it looking very vibrant and beautiful? So I will show you how to create all these flowers and leaves with step-by-step procedure. For this we need some multicolor 3mm quilling strips, liquid glue, scissor, some thread pollens, some half cut pearls, quilling tool and one piece of mount board or cardboard. First I will show you how to create this type of petal. For this I am taking half strip of medium blue color. First make a loose coil. Add little glue and make a leaf shape like this. Now I am taking light blue color strip and just making some loops by increasing the level of loop, and here I am making total 6 loops. So this is a loop petal. Cut excess strip and secure the end. Just bend it little bit like this. In the same way I have created one more loop petal. Now I will join all 3 petals with each other. Like this. And now wrap this whole petal using dark blue color strip. My one strip length is 45 cm. Secure the end. So petal is ready. In the same way I have created total 12 petals. Now I will show you this type of petal. For this I am taking half strip of pink color and I have connected 1/4 strip of dark blue color with this. First make a loose coil and then make a teardrop shape. Like this. So we need total 11 teardrop petals. So all the petals are ready. Now I am taking this blue color paper circle. The diameter is 5 cm. And now I am cutting one more circle inside this paper circle using my scissor. Like this. And now I will just connect both the ends with each other to make little cone shape, so that our flower will get a 3D shape. Now just apply little glue and start adding outer layer using blue color petals. I have given link for the basic quilling shapes in description box. You can check there. So complete this row. So first row is done. Now for the second row I am again adding some glue and connecting these pink color teardrop shapes. So this is also done. Now I have attached one circle on back side of the flower, and now I am connecting this bunch of thread pollens on the center part of the flower. Like this. Let it dry for some time. So our first flower is ready. Now I am starting with the second flower. For this I am taking half strip of light blue color and I have connected 1/4 strip of dark blue color with this. First make a teardrop shape. Like this. Now I am taking white color strip and my comb and just making the loop. First create small loop and connect with glue. And now just increase the level of loops each time by rotating the strip around the comb. So complete this process till the end of strip. secure the end, and now take out the whole petal from comb, so it will look like this. Just bend it from the center like this and pinch both the ends. Now I will connect the teardrop shape inside this bended petal like this. Now wrap this whole petal using one dark blue color strip. Secure the end. So petal is ready. In the same way I have created 5 more petals. So now I will connect all 6 petals together to construct the flower. Like this. Now for the center of the flower I have created this small yellow flower using yellow teardrop shapes. So you can connect this or you can connect this big half cut pearl. So it's on you how you want to add the center to the flower. So I will prefer yellow small flower inside this. So it's your choice which kind of center you want. Now I will show you this blue color leaf. For this I am taking half strip of light blue, 1/4 strip of pink and 1/4 strip of dark blue and making one loose coil. Just add glue and make a leaf shape like this. In the same way I have created 4 more leaves. Now take a small piece of blue color strip, add little glue on both the sides and assemble the leaf shape. So blue leaf is ready. Now I will show you how to create this big green color leaf. For this I am taking half strip of sap green color. First make a loose coil. Open this coil, secure the end and first create one leaf shape by pinching on both the sides and then just twist the ends like this. So this is a bended leaf. In the same way I have created 4 large bended leaves, 4 medium bended leaves, 2 small bended leaves and 1 small simple leaf shape. Now I am taking one piece of sap green color strip, adding glue and just creating the leaf by decreasing the order of the leaf shape each time. So leaf is ready. In the same way I have created 3 more leaves. Now with the same procedure I have created 4 small leaves. For this I have added 5 small sized bended leaves. And these 2 flowers using pink and green is made using same procedure as we did in the center. So this is very easy to create. And I have also created some scrolls. If you want to learn this, I have given link in description box. You can check there. Now I am taking this pattern paper which is added on mount board, which measures 24 by 12 centimeter, and now I will add all the flowers and leaves and scrolls on top of this to arrange my creation. So after adding, it will look like this. Very beautiful, isn't it? So the beautiful wall hanging quilt showpiece is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.